Good day, everyone. Welcome to Sir Tle Let Review. So, we are continuing our review for the upcoming licensure examination for teachers this March 2026. So, I am very sorry that ngayon na tayo nakapag-upload ng ating session because of the because of the busy schedule. Okay, so today we are continuing it. So um, so please like the video and subscribe. Okay, first question. You need to mark a line on the floor that is to be 10 meters or 32 feet and 10 inches. Which is the best layout tool to use? A. Ripsaw. B. Pull push rule. C. Level bar. Or letter D. Cross cut saw. What is your answer? Okay, so the question is looking for a layout tool that you need to use in order for you to line on a floor that is to be 10 meters or 32 feet and 10 inches. Okay? This one means feet or foot, and this one is inches. Remember, foot, inches. Okay? Okay. So, is it the ripsaw? Mhm. Is it letter B, C, or letter D? What is your answer? Okay. The answer for this question is letter B. Okay. There are ripsaw or the letter A is a cutting tool. Cutting tool. Okay, cutting tool. That is a cutting tool. That is not a layout tool. Okay, it is to use uh, to cut wood along the grain. Okay, along the grain. Take note on that. And um, the letter C, the level bar. Okay, it is used to check a surface is perfectly horizontal or vertical. Okay, in order for you to remember what is horizontal and the vertical, always remember the C, the horizon. The horizon. So that is a straight line. And the vertical line is like a standing line. Okay? And the letter D, crosscut saw, it is used for cutting wood across. Okay? This is along the grain. That is their difference. When you say it is used to cut wood along the grain, you answer lipso. If it is the question is talking about it is used to cut wood across, so you answer cross cut saw. Okay, so the pull push rule is what it is a what they call this it is famously called as a tape measure. Okay, tape measure. Tape measure. Are you familiar with the tape measure? So a tape measure or a pull push rule is a flexible measuring tool used to measure long distance like 10 meters. Okay, so the answer for the first question is letter B. Hmm. Wait, sorry. Second question. Which carpenter's tool is used to drive and pull out nails? A. Claw hammer. B. Rubber hammer. C. Sawhorse. Or letter D. Tuck hammer. What is your answer? Okay. The question is looking again for a carpenter tool used to pull out nails. Okay. Letter B. Rubber hammer. No. Letter B is wrong. Because a rubber hammer is used to apply force without damaging surfaces, such as adjusting wood joints or a tiles. So, from this word, rubber. Next, sawhorse. So, this is not the answer. Because a sawhorse is not a hand tool. It is used only to support, to hold materials while cutting or working. So it has no function related to nails. Um, it is used only for holding materials while cutting. Letter D, tack hammer. Tack hammer is not the answer. Okay. So a tack hammer is a small hammer used for light duty task. Okay? Light duty task. The answer for that is a tack hammer. Light duty tasks such as driving tasks or small brads. So it does not have a claw and therefore it cannot pull pull out a nail. Okay? So the answer for this question is letter A. Claw hammer. So a claw hammer is like this one. Mhm. So this is the famous. Hey, so claw hammer is like this one. So in this word, it is used to pull out nails. So a claw hammer is specifically designed to drive nails into woods using the flat face and pull out nails using its curve claw. Okay, so the answer for this question is letter A, claw hammer. Okay, last question. Which are used as parts or components of a project? A. Tools. B. Equipment. C. Materials. Or letter D. Hardware. What is your answer? So, it is used as parts. Okay? Parts or components of a project. Is it a tool? Hmm. No. A tool is uh, it is used to manipulate materials such as hammers, screwdrivers, but the tool will not become a part of the final product. Okay? Part, this question is talking about a part of final product. Final product. In final product, you cannot see any uh, tools that are um, attached to the product. Letter B is wrong. So an equipment is a large machinery or durable devices used to perform tasks like like the tools. So most equipment are using electricity. Okay. So the difference between these two, a tool is a can be used using our bare hands, while the equipment you need some help from the electricity or a gas. Okay, so it can't be operate using only our bare hands. So letter D, hardware. No. So this is not the answer. Okay? So the answer for this question is letter C, materials. So materials are a consumable items or raw substances that are consumed or incorporated directly into a project to form its finished parts or components. So in project planning, they have specifically within a bill of materials. These are the physical resources listed by quantity and cost that will eventually become the end product. So what is a bill of materials? It is a list of materials needed for a project. Okay, so the answer for this question is letter C, materials. So that ends with our session for today. I hope you've learned a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you and goodbye.